Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I created this fun and classic crescent French tip design. I use one of my favorite fall picks and it's OPI You've Got That Glas-glow from the new OPI Scotland collection, and I also used Girls Gone Plaid from that same collection as well. So I put 2 coats of the lavender polish on all my nails, and I've done the design on the rest of my nails, but I'll show you how I did it on this one here. So I'm going to use my small Winstonia brush and just make a crisp line here. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can always go back with the dark color and just make it smooth, but you want to start about halfway down the nail and go up to the tip, leaving a little bit on the other side. I'll put a link to this brush. It's the brushes that I always use. I get a lot of questions about that, but I'll have a link in the description below that takes you right to it. I'm going to come back with a little more paint and just smooth out that line. I have a little too much, so I'm just going to take that excess onto this part of the nail, and then once I have the right amount on, I'm going to come and smooth that line out a little bit. So now at this point you can come back in with your regular nail polish brush and just fill that in, and then you can smooth out the sides with the nail art brush here. I'll show you in a second. You don't want to get so much polish on that regular nail polish brush that it's too thick, so you have to be a little bit careful, and you'll get used to how much you use as you do each nail. So now I'm coming back in with my little brush and I'm just going to make that line smooth. And once I'm finished with that, you will get a little bit of polish on the side of your nails if you're a little bit messy like me. So I'm going to come in here with this brush and some acetone. This is a must-do step. This is really what's going to make your manicure, but you can clean up any spots and then you're just going to really smooth out all the edges and then just make that a really crisp, neat line, and it makes it look so nice. And then once that has dried completely, you can come in with your fast dry top coat. I'm using Glisten and Glow, and that's the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and I hope you try it out. Talk to you later. Bye.